Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the section of Constitution of India, as we are seeing the details about the fundamental rights, today we are going to look upon two rights, that is right to freedom of religion and cultural and education rights. So let's get started. First, right to freedom of religion. So India is a secular country and the right of freedom of religion to all its citizens that ensures all states are treated neutrally with regards to religion. Every Indian citizen has religious freedom and can follow any religion of their choice. Right to freedom of religion also promotes a right to preach, practice, and propagate any religion of their choice and guarantees freedom of their conscience to all Indian citizens. Next in our list is cultural and educational rights. The cultural and education rights includes the right to education and helps to conserve various heritages of minorities and protect them from discrimination. The fundamental right safeguards the minorities and prohibits discrimination against any citizen for admission into any educational institutions based on their religion, caste, race, or language subject to reservation in the state. This fundamental right also allows minority to set up and administer educational institutes to preserve their own heritage. So this is all about the two of the fundamental rights. Next we are going to see Article 32, right to constitutional remedies. So stay tuned for our channel for more such content. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell button to get the latest notifications to our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.